Today is the 20th of March 2023. You have Porintie, Helsinki, to staircase B here, and Munkkivuori, Munkkivuori. Goes to Munkkivuori here in Helsinki for Suusalmi and Finland with 8 floors. This was built in 1958, turning 65 years old this year in 2023, and it's in first stage 752, and it will also be expected this year in 2023. Probably finished in late 1958 because of the lights here. It's closer to the pieces. And it's tiny for only 2 persons, about 60 grams. 8 floors, so this is really rare, the tallest in Finland with 8 floors for 2 persons.
Yeah.
And one of the 8 tallest ones here.
Mm.
We have now filmed all 8 staircases except the staircase A, which will be filmed soon.
Yeah, but staircase H is unique because the shape of the cap is different there.
Yeah, and the H has the other type of handrails.
Yeah.
None of the other ones have
Yeah,
it.
I think this because the shape is it's so narrow, so it's better without the handrails.
Maybe. Maybe it's so small also.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva inspected and maintained by Porintie.
But those handrails are very amazing too. They're very amazing.
Yeah.
Nobody should be coming.
Yeah.
This one has very interesting sounds.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase. The last one to do.
Yeah.
Here it is. Russell Chilbing, and you can watch the rest of them. You can see to H here.
That's
So, that's it.